Welcome back to Weather Underground. Right now we have breaking news with a flash flood emergency in Birmingham, Alabama. We just spoke with the emergency manager there saying pick a road, it's got high water on it. So encouraging everyone to be at work or be at home and stay there for now. Want to show you some video south of Birmingham. Look at the water, how just the volume of water more than anything else as the spillway is just loaded, and it's only going to get worse before it gets better because it's an ongoing rain event and more rain is still to come. Tonight we have our Dr. Rick Knapp following this threat for us. Dr. Knapp, what are you seeing?
Well, we continue to see reports just really coming in at a rapid pace of so many roads covered in water, and even a report now through Weather Service chat in the River Chase area in Shelby County, Alabama. The fire department reports flooded homes on Norridge Place. So there are starting to be more reports of structures being impacted, not just the roads. Now, this is because not only that it's raining heavily right now, but it has rained heavily nearly all day, especially in and around Metro Birmingham, especially right near downtown and going south from there. That's where the heaviest amounts have fallen, but the large volume of water that has fallen on north central and northern Alabama means there's just millions of gallons of water that have nowhere to go but to the low spots and just can't drain off quickly enough, so it is piling up on the roads and threatening some structures at least, and going from Atlanta all the way over through Tuscaloosa and then north and south from there. I-20 corridor is where we've got a lot of flash flood warning. So it isn't just Birmingham that's under a flash flood warning, but Birmingham is under this higher level alert called a flash flood emergency, where you've got a community-wide life-threatening flooding where a lot of areas that don't usually flood might be flooding, and you might have not just problems with life-threatening conditions driving on the roads, but water-threatening structures, a lot of water rescues, and that is what is dominating the entire metro area, but especially downtown, just east of there, and then going south from there. That's in effect till 8:15 local time. Some kind of advisory warning, I'm sure, will have to be extended beyond that time. Now, it has rained a lot up to this point, but it is still raining heavily right now. An inch and a half, 2 inches per hour. And that is just adding to the flood problems in the area. And there's more rain coming in from the west, so it could actually get worse. And again, from Birmingham southward, right along the I-65 corridor with a lot of population, a lot of people, more and more reports keep coming in. And one concerning one that gives you an idea of the high end of this event in the Homewood area south of Birmingham, residents having to be evacuated out of the Rue Maison apartments due to flash flooding. That's why swift water rescue teams often have to come in. And then go down south toward and past the Alabaster area, more and more reports, water over the roadway at Fox Valley Farms near a bridge, and then the Shelby County Airport, water across County Road 87. And again, it's in Shelby County in the Norridge Place area that we've gotten reports through Weather Service chat of some homes starting to take on water, and there's more water coming from the sky. Where that came from, again, here's Birmingham and Alabaster, here's Tuscaloosa, you're under a flash flood warning, and there's heavy rain coming in from there. So Mike and Jackie, this really could get worse and more life-threatening in terms of the water on the ground, but as it gets dark, it's even more dangerous, so gotta stay off the roads.
These are some really scary storms tonight. It could be in some instances